In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reusable invoice template in Microsoft Word. We're going to build a clean, professional invoice layout that you can save and use again anytime, which is a great way to speed up future document creation and keep your branding consistent. Start by opening a new blank document in Word. Before adding any content, set up the page so the layout has a neat, compact appearance. Go to the layout settings and change the page margins to custom margins. Set the top, bottom, left, and right margins all to 0.5 inches. Using narrower margins gives you more usable space on the page, which is especially helpful for invoices where you want everything to fit clearly without looking crowded. Once the page is set, move to the top of the document and insert a two-column table. This table will act as the header section of the invoice and help keep everything aligned. In the left cell, place your company logo or your company name. This area is typically used for branding, so make sure it is easy to read and visually balanced. In the right cell, enter the main invoice information, the invoice number, the date, and the due date. Keeping these details grouped together on the right makes the document easier for clients to scan quickly. After the header is in place, create the main items table for the invoice details. This is where you'll list the products or services being billed. To make the table look more polished and easier to read, apply a styled table design and add shading to the header row. You can do this through the Table Design tab using the shading option. A shaded header row helps separate the column titles from the rest of the entries, improving readability and giving the invoice a more professional appearance. Choose a shade that is subtle and clean so it enhances the design without becoming distracting. Next, go to the bottom of the document and add the bank transfer details along with your payment terms. This section is important because it tells the recipient exactly how to pay and what conditions apply. Keep the wording clear and organized so the payment instructions are easy to follow. Since this file may be reused many times, make sure any sensitive information is either removed or replaced with placeholders that can be filled in later. Once the invoice layout is complete, save the document as a reusable Word template. This allows you to open a fresh copy each time you need a new invoice without overwriting the original design. It's a simple step, but it can save a lot of time and help maintain a consistent professional format across all your invoices.